This is the W2CBW0015 development kit plus the Beagle board. It comes with a 2.4 GHz antenna, the test board itself with the module mounted on it, the serial cable which goes with the Beagle board, and the CD which consists all the drivers and the user guides. This is the Beagle board, which is powered up using a 5V DC power supply. It is connected to a host PC using the serial cable. Our test board goes into the SDIO port of the Beagle board. The test board is also connected to a 2.4 GHz antenna. The host PC is a Linux machine in this case, and Minicom is used to communicate with the Beagle board. The login name on Minicom is root. The next step is to connect to a wireless AP. In order to do so, we need to install the Wi-Fi drivers which are already built on the Beagle board. The commands to install these drivers are as follows: insmod mlan.ko. The next command is insmod st8787.ko, and we can see the message. It says WLAN firmware is active. To run the throughput test, we need to start iPerf in server mode on another laptop which is connected to the AP. Then run iPerf in client mode on this machine using the command /iperf -c for client mode, the IP address of the machine connected in server mode, which is 10.0.0.3 in this case, the time interval to run the test, which is say 5 seconds, and the reporting interval, say 1 second. And we can see the results every second and at the end of the test too. Our next goal is to run BT file transfer application. Before installing the BT drivers, Wi-Fi drivers must be installed using the commands insmod mlan.ko and insmod st8787.ko. Here we already have them installed because we just ran the Wi-Fi throughput test. Now the command to install the BT drivers is insmod bt8787.ko. Here we can see that the BT firmware is active. Run the command hci config in order to see the available interfaces. Then go to the location where lib bluetooth 001988000023, which is the HCI0 MAC address. Then update the file pin codes with your BT enabled device's MAC address and the corresponding pin code that you want to use for pairing. Make sure your BT enabled device is in file receive mode at this point. The next step is to pair your BT enabled device with the test board and discover the available services. To do this, you can run the command sdp tool browse your BT enabled device's MAC address. Now you'll see the parameters for the available services. Look for the RFCOM channel number for the file transfer agent service. Then we go back to the root directory because the test file to be transferred is located there. Now run the file transfer command, which is ./obexftp -b, the test device's MAC address, -B, the RFCOM channel number for the file transfer agent service, which was 2 in this case, -p, the test file to be sent. And as you run this command, we can see that the test.txt file is transferred.